going to be concealing my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30. Next, I'm going to be setting my eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm going in the palette of Sienna from Profusion Cosmetics, and I'm going in with the shade Serendipity. Now I'm taking that yellow color and blending it into my crease, using it as a transition shade. Using the same palette, I'm going to go in the shade Cryptic and just blend out all over my crease under the transition shade. Next, I'm going to be using the shade Madly. I'm going to be using that mostly at the outer corner of my eyes, and what's left on the brush will be blended towards the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to be using a shimmer shadow called Certain, and I'm going to be using that from my inner corner towards the middle, making it seem like it's a cut crease. I'm just using the shade Madly again for my outer corner, just to darken it up a little bit more. For foundation, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir in the shade 765 and use that all over my face. I'm also going to be using Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai, just for a little bit more coverage. Next, I'm going to be using a foundation brush that I've wet with rose water because it gives me more of a dewy finish. It looks a little light right now, but later on it will oxidize and match my skin tone. Now I'm just going to go over my face with a wet beauty sponge to make sure there's no streaks from the foundation brush. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30 again to conceal my face. Now I'm just going to be blending the concealer in.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just set the places where I concealed.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Now I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with the L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade W7.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the
To bronze my face, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronzer in the shade 3.
and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow
I'm using the same bronzer and I'm just going to use that to contour my nose a bit. For brush, I'm going to be using e.l.f. and I'm going to be using the second lightest shade to use on my face. I'm going to go back into the Laura Mercier translucent powder to bake under my bronzer to give me more of a sharp line. I'm going to go in with a L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade W7 to wipe up the excess powder. Now I'm going to be highlighting my face. I'm going to be leaving the name in the description box because right now I cannot find it. Next, I'm going to be outlining my lips with a dark brown lip pencil. Then I'm going to be using a nude lipstick for the middle of my lips. Lastly, I'm just going to be using a pink lip gloss. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.